Hey folks, I'm going to teach you how your haters can literally explode your business. How do I know how? Because it happened for me. I'm Joel Tarian, and I've been an entrepreneur since I was 16 years old. I saw my first real income by age 23. Here are a few things that I've learned along the way. Making great products that customers want also includes building a company that people want to work for. Don't know where to start? Find a great mentor who is already living the life you want to live. So let's first talk a little bit about haters, where they come from, and what you need to do about them. I remember the first negative comment I got online. I was literally destroyed. Like, I was distraught. It destroyed my momentum for a couple of weeks. And I was really distraught because I thought, this person doesn't even know me. This person said something very negative about me. And I'm going to show you some really negative comments. But the best part is it absolutely exploded my business. So what you have to realize when people are feeling negative, it has nothing to do about you. That person, especially if they don't know your business, they don't know your ethics, just is not in a happy place in their life. And all negative comments always come from beneath you, not above you. What do I mean by that? Well, I like fitness. And if somebody's in better shape than me, they're never ever going to make a negative comment about some of my posts. However, if somebody is not as in good shape as me, then those people look at you, and actually what you don't realize is hate deep down is a form of love. Those people who are hating on you are envying you on your success. So write this down. The higher the levels, the higher the devils. The more success you see, the more and more people are going to try to bring you down. I want to use another amazing example. If any of you watch the UFC, one of my favorite fighters out there is Conor McGregor. Why? Because he's so polarizing. He doesn't care whatsoever what people say about him. He just gets focused and he gets the job done. But by being so polar, that's what creates a controversy. Another great example, the man who owned the media, President Trump. Regardless of whether you like him or hate him, you are always talking about him. And the media loved it because they made tons more money when President Trump was the president of the United States. So why does hate increase your business? It's that controversy. Online, it's called engagement. So when people are coming to your posts or coming to your ads or coming to your YouTube, they are engaging. The more people are engaging by leaving comments, whether they're positive or negative, the better the algorithm, right? They want people coming back to YouTube or Facebook or Instagram again and again and again. And if people are coming back, they're going to show your post, your videos to more and more people. So I'm going to go over to my computer and show you why I honestly finally got interested in starting a YouTube channel. So here we are on my YouTube channel, and what you can see here, guys, is if I come here, I go to my videos, and I sort by my most popular videos right here, you'll see the one that got me really interested in YouTube was this one video, and it was a surprise for my son. And it was his birthday. So basically I posted this about 5 years ago, and here you can actually see the video. But here's what really made the changes. 3,121 comments. And most of them, I'll put the links in the description here, most of the comments are absolutely terrible, like horrible, horrible comments, okay? But that's okay, because guess what? That's what got me the thousands and thousands of subscribers I have. Okay, not every single one of my subscribers, but many of them. So this is just one example. If I come back to my YouTube channel again, because I knew that this video did well, guess what? My son's truck got stolen, so I got him a new truck, and I thought, well, if this one got 1.1 million views, maybe another surprise birthday truck video, follow your success, will do well as well. So this one didn't do quite as well, but it still got 251,000 views. And again, not nearly as many comments, but the 400 comments here is what drove the YouTube algorithm to get more and more people to come back and watch the video. So let's go to a different platform. I'm going to take you to one of my Facebook ads. One of my businesses is in health and wellness. So I did this ad here on Facebook, and Here, again, this ad's actually running live as I show you this. 215 comments, 327 likes. Most of the posts, again, I'll put a direct link here on the video. Most of the posts in here are extremely negative, but I want to show you something really, really cool. So if I come over here to my ads manager, when I first started running this ad, you'll see that my cost per lead was very, very high at first. It was, well, not high, it was still pretty awesome, $2.61. But as more and more people started to engage with the ad, as more and more people started to leave comments on there, whether they're positive or negative, Facebook saw that as great content. So as you can see, I went from $2.61 per lead, down to $1.25, down to 98 cents, down to 94 cents, and here I started running the ad again, down to 84 cents, down to up a little bit to 88 cents, and today my cost per result is only 71 cents per lead. So, as you can see, this hate content, as long as you can deal with it. I don't even think you have to have thick skin, because when you think about it, when somebody leaves a negative comment, really, they're envying your success. Again, like I said at the start, the higher the levels, the higher the devils. So as long as you can realize that these negative comments really aren't directed at you, they're really directed back at the people themselves. And if you can have the so-called thick skin to deal with these people, well, this type of controversy, this type of polarism is what's going to generate massive attention. And massive free attention is what's going to lead to your success. So that's exactly how you can use the haters and controversy to grow a massive business online. So listen, if you want more videos like this, don't forget to smash that like button, hit the subscribe button, and make sure you hit that little bell to get notifications of all my videos. Because the more people subscribe, the more motivated I am to show you other tips and tricks to grow a massive business online.